So I'm provide more way. So if you have your logo is PNG format, so then it's change color easy way. In the first way, if you want to change all color, move to any one color, press onto mouse left side, click onto blending option. Okay, click on to stroke, select inside not outside, press on inside and change color, select any color. Then if you want to change all color, press on OK. Or if you want to change this logo color one by one, so like I'm select this area, select lasso tool, I'm select and change this color, press on hue and saturation and change this color. Okay, and if you want to change this color, and just select this area and the same, press on hue and saturation to change color. Okay, and the same way, select, so that's it, that's how you can do it.